conversation between two friends about the business.
How is your portfolio doing?
Very well.
Really? My portfolio is down. Even though the market is up, I have lost almost the entire profits made in the last 3 to 4 years. My advisor invested in small cap and mid cap stocks and mutual funds.
Same is the case with my portfolio. That's why I have increased my monthly investment amount. Planning to invest some lump sum as well.
But if the market goes further down, you will lose even more. Shouldn't you wait and watch?
Then I may miss the bus. Good stocks and MF schemes are coming at an attractive price. If your investments are for the long term, then you should not worry. The stock market of any country is directly correlated to its economy. If the economy grows, the market is bound to grow. Look at the history of the Indian stock market. You will see this trend clearly. Tell me something. Do you think India's economic growth would be amongst the top 10 nations in the next 15 or 20 years?
Of course. We are bound to grow, given the consumption in the country and the young population. We are on a high growth trajectory.
Exactly. Then there is nothing to worry about.
But where are you investing also makes a difference. I mean, the stocks and MF schemes we are holding. Not all would give good returns, isn't it?
Absolutely correct. That is your advisor job. You must ask your advisor the process of selecting the stock schemes. You should know about it.
Isn't that too technical? Why are we supposed to understand all that?
Fundamentals are simple to grasp. Your advisor would explain to you in layman terms, understanding the concepts of stock selection, which raise your confidence and would give you a peaceful sleep as well. Moreover, you can ask relevant questions to your advisor. If you understand how he thinks while making the selection, and what does he claim?
Sounds good. I will do that in the coming week itself. To be frank, I wonder if an advisor would really help in the long run. If the economy is bound to grow, then my investments would anyway grow. Moreover, it is hard-earned money. It would hardly make any difference to the advisor if we lose it.
Well, you already said that not all stocks would give returns. That is one place where the role of advisor comes in, that is, to choose the right investments. Secondly, the fact that it is not advisor's money is a plus point for us.
How come?
The advisor not emotionally attached to the money. That's why he or she would make logical decision, not emotional. When I started investing 15 years back, I made this mistake of investing on my own. But I soon realized that it is time-consuming work cannot be done part-time. I ended up making emotional decisions, especially when the markets were volatile. Lots of good amount of money. Learned my lesson soon, though, the hard way. Also, it does make a difference to your advisor if you don't get returns in the long term. How would they grow their business?
Fair enough. I would go by your experience. I will stop worrying about these short-term fluctuations and would understand the research process from my advisor.
Next time you worry about your investments, ask yourself this question: is the Indian economy expected to grow in the long term? If the response is yes.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share this video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos.